All new this morning, the state Supreme Court sides with the Mississippi Department of Environmental Quality over plans to build a military staging site in Gulfport. The Port of Gulfport is behind the plans. Many in the community were upset and appealed the plans to the state's highest court. Those against it said the water quality certification issued by the MDEQ permit board contained legal deficiencies and would have harmful effects. But the court sided with the port, saying the certification was supported by substantial evidence and did not violate any constitutional rights.